Hey builders! Vlayer Mainnet is officially live. After more than 500,000 of proofs on the testnet, Vlayer superpowers are now ready to be used on production. Time travel, teleport, web and email proofs all available right now. Now I will show you how you can get started with Vlayer on Mainnet. I recommend you to start with our docs. You can see the link down below. It's book.vlayerxyz. Then head over to installation section. Make sure that you have supported platform and all prerequisites installed in your system, and then you can get a latest version of Vlayer CLI. Just use this curl command in your command line. Now, once I'm sure that the latest version of Vlayer is in my system, I will initialize a new project using simple web proof template. However, if you would like to use teleport, time travel or email, you can just specify the name of the template. Okay, now I see that Vlayer is initialized. All I have to do now is to get an API key and set up my project correctly. To do so, just head over to dashboard Vlayer XYZ, and here you can create a new token. Here we have to specify the type of the token and the name. Make sure that you have the mainnet selected here if you would like to try us on production. And then if you are doing web proofs, then you have to specify the domain that you will be proving. So for example, if you want to do something with api.x.com, you have to specify this domain URL here. However, if you are dealing with teleport, time travel or email, you don't have to do the allow list. And then we can request it, and this token will be visible only once. So make sure that you can just copy it to your project. And now inside Vlayer directory, I will just create a new env.mainnet.local. And here we just need to paste our Vlayer API token. Another thing that you need to configure is your private key that will be used for deploying your prover and verifier to some chain. So for example, if here on the eth.mainnet you have optimism, then make sure that your key actually holds some eth on the optimism that will be used for prover and verifier deployments. And now you are good to go. You can just run run proof mainnet, and this command will deploy prover and verifier to optimism and then run proving on our mainnet services. If you would like to learn more, I highly recommend you to check our docs and head over to our Discord channel to learn more. I'm super excited to see what you guys built with Vlayer. See you soon on this channel.